ओके
वेट मैम या
हाँ भाई हाँ
जस्ट अ सेकंड
ओके मैम आइए आइए ये थोड़ा
ए
पूरे फुटेज की वाट लगा दी
हेलो मैम सोहा जी सोहा जी इधर
दे तो दो.
यहाँ पे
Where do you want to do photos?
We'll do that inside. Yes.
मैम
यहाँ पे लाइट
Okay, now photos अंदर
वेट
लाइट अच्छा ही आ रही है कैसे मैम सोहा जी यहाँ पे उधर लाइट अच्छा
मैम यहाँ पे
अरे वेट यार
एक सेकंड
आइए
मैं भाई
हटवा मैम या
आने दोगे आप बीच में बता
संभाल के पीछे सीढ़ी है.
जी जी मैम जी मैम
आपको ध्यान दे रहे हैं.
या फोन मार चलो
आप इंचार्ज हो. It's a great initiative that Moha has taken to support women entrepreneurs. Somebody who's an actor, who's an entrepreneur, who knows how important financial independence is. So I think with this initiative, what they're doing with all the participants who've come from such different places in India, Ajmer se aaye hai, Jodhpur se aaye hai, Kolkata se aaye hai, and you know they're coming and presenting their idea, and all ideas were lovely, and we've chosen 3 winners who we think were good, and who I feel can also help with the grant to scale their businesses. So I had a great time interacting with them, listening to their ideas, and बहुत अच्छा लगा. Thank you.
मैम थोड़ा राइट साइड है ओके मैम यू क्या
ये मैम
Are we doing questions?
थैंक यू मैम
कृष्णा जी
सोहा जी गुड टू सी यू.
Thank you.
सारी चीज़ों को बहुत ही ध्यान से देख रही थी, क्वेश्चन भी किया. बताइए कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस विद मोहा के साथ, क्या कहेंगे आप?
एक्सपीरियंस तो बहुत ही अच्छा रहा है. ये जो इनिशिएटिव है मोहा का, डॉक्टर राम का, स्टैंड ऑन योर फीट, अभी 3rd सीज़न में है, और मुझे लगता है कि बहुत फ़र्क लाएगा जो आज विनर्स होंगे. तो आज 10 महिलाओं ने अपना प्रेजेंटेशन दिया, उनके जो बिज़नेस आइडियाज़ हैं उन्होंने प्रेजेंट किया, और हमने कुछ सवाल पूछे, और उनके प्लान के हिसाब 3 विनर्स को कुछ पैसे मिलेंगे, विच विल रियली हेल्प देम डेवलप देयर बिजनेस, एक्सपैंड देयर बिजनेस, अचीव देयर ड्रीम्स. और मुझे लगता है कि ये जो सीड फंडिंग है, जो मेंटरशिप उनको मिलेगी बाय स्टैंड ऑन योर फीट, जो इनिशिएटिव है आज, वो यू नो इट विल रियली बेनिफिट देम गोइंग फॉरवर्ड. मैं खुद देख चुकी हूँ कि मेरे जो सपने थे, मुझे जब सपोर्ट मिला, मुझे जब किसी ने हाथ पकड़ के आगे जाने का दिशा दिखाया, तो आई रियली मेड अ डिफरेंस इन माई लाइफ. सो आई कैन सी हाउ, एंड देयर सम रियली वंडरफुल प्रेजेंटेशंस विद सम रियली वंडरफुल आइडियाज़. तो काफ़ी मुश्किल था आई थिंक हम सबको विनर्स चुनने में, बट आई थिंक वी कम टू अ डिसीजन.
डॉक्टर जी सबसे पहले ये बताइए कि जब आपके इवेंट मोहा के इवेंट ब्यूटीफुल गॉर्जियस सोहा जी प्रेजेंट आती है तो व्हाट इज योर रिएक्शन? क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
क्या सवाल है, मतलब रियली अमेजिंग क्वेश्चन.
It's a tough one, but no, of course, one of the key aspects is that it endorses at one level it endorses when ma'am comes and people, celebrities like
Please don't
that
call me
come. Okay, when
Soha is
Soha
fine.
comes, it just endorses whatever that we're trying to do, and I think at some level, as she mentioned, that whenever she started something new, it is always at that time when you need the most amount of, encouragement and guidance and support. So this is the small thing that we are doing. हमारा जो इधर फ़र्क है वो डेट नहीं है जहाँ दे रहे हैं या इक्विटी नहीं ले रहे हैं. It's pure grant. So it's just something that we're giving to them that they can use in their business and grow. And this is the third season. And we have seen कि पहले जो दो विनर थे उन्होंने ये पैसा लेके उनकी बिज़नेस में जो उन्नति हुई है वो सुन के उसके पिक्चर और वीडियो देखते बहुत खुशी महसूस होती है. So I mean we just hope that we keep growing more and more and support women entrepreneurs.
So Hannah, I'd like to ask you that हमने आपको हमेशा वुमेन को एम्पावर करते हुए नजर दिया है, जैसे वो मैराथन वॉकिंग मैराथन या कुछ. So ma'am, where do you see the Gen Z generation women going in the future?
आई थिंक कि अभी बहुत अवेयरनेस है, बहुत नॉलेज है, बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस है, लेकिन इंडिया आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ इंडिया इज़ नॉट ऑन द सेम लेवल. मैं तो कह सकती हूँ कि मेरी लाइफ बहुत ही प्रिविलेज्ड है, सिर्फ मेरी माँ बाप की वजह से नहीं, मेरी एजुकेशन की वजह से, कि मुझे बहुत बेहतरीन शिक्षा मिली है. और मैं जानती हूँ कि इंडिया में बहुत सारे लड़कियों को ऐसी शिक्षा नहीं मिलती है एंड थिंग्स आर नॉट फेयर. तो इसीलिए कभी कभी औरों के लिए खड़ा होना ज़रूरी है, उनकी आवाज़ बनना ज़रूरी है, टू रिप्रेजेंट दैम. सो दैट आई फील शुड हैपन मोर. इसीलिए मैं और लोगों को इनकरेज भी करना चाहूँगी, अगले साल आप भी पार्टिसिपेट कीजिए स्टैंड ऑन योर फीट में, आप भी भाग लीजिए, क्योंकि आपके जो ड्रीम्स हैं, जो बिजनेस एस्पिरेशंस हैं, आपको यहाँ पे शायद आपको भी मदद मिलेगी. थैंक यू.
This camera please first.
किधर गया ये? विवेक उठ से लागे उधर से. विवेक साइड आ.
Everybody this camera first. Now one more. Last one. Sorry. Yeah, this camera please. Everyone this camera. Got it.
लोग या वेट मैम वेट. सर आपका हो गया? हाँ थोड़ा पीछे आओ ना. मैं वेट लुक या ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज या ऑल ऑफ यू वेट लुक या दिस या. थैंक यू.
ये इवेंट आप बहुत ही ध्यान से देख रही थी, वहाँ आपने कुछ क्वेश्चनिंग भी किया है एंड क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे, कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस? देयर इज सोहा एंड आप हैं
And Sagrika ji.
सागरिका जी हैं.
Yes, I think it's a very special event. Stand on your feet एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है women के लिए where everyone can kind of be on the same level, share their business ideas and hopefully grow from here. And I think as a woman it's always very special when I'm in a space where I can see that other women are being uplifted, other women are being kind of their visions are being celebrated. So I think एक बहुत ही special day है just to celebrate women who are doing something unique and special.
Ma'am, I would also like to ask, we have seen you in as a women empowerment, supporting women empowerment. So ma'am, आज की generation में, in the Gen Z generation, how important it is for the women to be empowered and know about what they want to do and what is wrong and what's right when it comes to men and their touch and should be beat or not be women, whatever.
Yeah, great question. Thank you for that. I feel like मैं originally दिल्ली से हूँ and मैं LSR में थी, Lady Shri Ram College for Women. तो मैं girls के साथ ही पढ़ी हूँ and we all have learned the importance of supporting each other, stopping something that is wrong, kind of questioning the patriarchal structure of society. So ये मेरे अंदर ही अंदर घुस चुका है एकदम. फिर आई मूवी थप्पड़ जहाँ पे मैंने ये दिखाया दर्शकों को. So yeah, like you said, it's always kind of within me to stand for something that is on the right side and always question something that is a kind of an injustice to a woman, something where she is being pulled down for, I think I would always stand for women in that ways. And I'm very happy to be here and support women who are coming with a vision and a cause and a business idea that they want to kind of change their world and the society around them.
Ma'am, I would also like to ask, feminism, you support feminism, but there is also a sort of toxic feminism which is going on and everyone knows about it. So would you like to tell anything about toxic feminism, and have you ever seen a case personally like that?
I feel like, you know, I don't want to talk about anything in that kind of space just because I feel like today is a day where we're just celebrating women.
Yeah.
And I feel anything that is unnecessarily questioning why a woman is doing something, that is where things get a bit fishy.
Yeah.
So today is just a day about women empowerment in the sense that we're a bunch of women today who have come to look after and uplift and question the women around us and possibly help them grow. And I think that's the main agenda for today.
Thank you.
All right.
So,
Thank you.
Pabji,
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Ma'am, take care. Okay, thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Alright, the moment we all have been waiting for is finally here. Any guesses who is second runner-up? Any guesses? Participants, you can cheer your own name, guys. Come on. Nobody? Nervous? I think they are nervous. Yeah. Alright, before we announce the winners, let me once again remind everyone that it's not just about awards or winning this campaign. It's about celebrating the journey of standing tall, even when life throws challenges your way. So, let's see who is our second runner-up. Are you guys excited? Yes? I can't hear you guys. Are you guys excited? Okay. And the second runner-up is Dr. Prachi Deval. Can we have a big round of applause for Dr. Prachi? I am sure you're going to still continue giving beautiful smiles.
Yes, everyone in this camera, please.
All the best, Dr. Prachi. Congratulations. Wow. Lovely. Alright guys, let's once again hear it for Dr. Prachi. Come on everybody. Wow, amazing. Alright, moving forward, our first runner-up. Any guesses again? I'm giving it a chance. Nobody? Nose? Fingers crossed? Okay. The first runner-up is Aishwarya Jayan, Future Mantra. Congratulations, Aishwarya. All the best. All right, now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to announce the winner for Moha Stand on Your Feet. And the winner is... Oh my God, look at this. Oh my God. All right. The winner is Sonali Deshmukh, Green Hills Agro. Congratulations, Sonali. A big day for you.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. In my camera, please. Thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations to all the winners. Let's give them a big round of applause as you have shown us what it means to deserve and succeed.
I'll just say a couple of words. Firstly, thank you and congratulations to all the 10 finalists and everyone else who participated. So while you see winning and losing is part of life, I think that's not the key. The key is learning and moving forward. I think one aspect that I would like to suggest, and our doors are always open. Yes, money is there, but one always needs a sounding board. Right? Whenever you're starting something, you need the people who have maybe done a little something more than what you've done, or the journey that they've taken the journey already. So we're there. You can always call on us, and if you want to just discuss an idea or a thought, we'd be happy to handhold you wherever we possibly can. So that's an open invitation to anyone who wants to take it. Yeah, all the best and good luck. It's an incredible journey and enjoy the ride. That's the most important thing. Okay, all the best. Thank you.
For the rest of the camera, please. Yeah. Okay. So just a minute, please.
So our agency headed by Priya and Shivani, you guys can come up. So these are young girls, ladies who bully me a lot. So give it to Nela. And last but not the least, my own team members. Senior most Mr. Asher, who's actually the youngest of them all because he keeps adapting himself to everything new. And Charishma, you can give it to Sabir.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a big round of applause for each one of us up here?